transformational conclusions of relativity have significant implications for innovation in reference to the pharma crisis situation. Einstein observed we cannot solve problems with the same level of thinking that created them. Defining ether was the biggest problem of 19th century physics. Just as water waves need a medium, so also should light, the luminiferous ether. Designing experiments to test the properties of ether was a high priority of 19th century physics, but many experiments failed. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Logic knowledge will get you from A to Z. Imagination will get you everywhere. The Michelson-Morley experiment in 1887 was the most significant attempt to define properties of luminiferous ether, but also failed. Einstein decided to turn the problem on its head. I must be willing to give up what I am in order to become what I will be. He radically reinterpreted electrodynamics by abolishing the concept of ether. He visualized and published what is now called the principle of relativity. The paper mentions the names of only 5 other scientists, no references to any other publication. Any intelligent fool can make things bigger, more complex. It takes a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. He had the courage to simplify and to raise the conjecture principle of relativity to the status of a postulate. Einstein could turn the problem of ether on its head because he came to a fundamental conclusion. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. We need an Einstein attitude in dealing with innovation in reference to the global pharma crisis situation to turn the problem upside down. It requires a different level of thinking as compared to the crisis. Imagination more than logic and knowledge. A change in our thinking process. Take the first step right and join us in developing this change. Join us in our various ventures in this new direction. First Step Right, the 5-module online program, First Step Right Pro, the EM-DM model, the spectrum of generic versus original research models for finding disruptive solutions and beyond.